So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make $10 per day free PayPal money. Okay, and I'm going to share with you something that this guy is also using to make literally hundreds and thousands of dollars with the same strategy that I am going to share with you. So what we are going to do over here, after that, I will be sharing with you something crazy that can easily help you to actually go from $10 to $100 a day without any extra effort. So let's dive in and I will be sharing with you everything step by step over here. So what's the step one over here? We are going to identify a problem. Don't worry, you don't have to do it yourself because I have already done that for you. Okay, so for example, I'm going to give you a ton of examples over here and you will be able to figure out yourself that. Okay, so what we are going to see, we are going to identify a problem. So for example, in the internet marketing industry, a lot of people are facing issue on how do they make money. Okay, so what you are going to do, you're going to give them something for free, which can be as easy like giving a free ebook or maybe a free course. But you might be thinking, how the hell am I going to give a free ebook or maybe a free course? So what you can actually do, you have two choices. Either you can join, you can help, you can get the help from someone else, or it is literally going to take you 5 to 10 minutes to combine all these things. So how you can actually do that? So first of all, if you wanted to create an ebook, let's say you wanted to promote ClickFunnels. Okay, basically ClickFunnels is a software to build funnels and all those things. So what you are going to do over here, actually you are going to simply create a free ebook on how to make money with ClickFunnels, how to promote ClickFunnels, or maybe how to build funnels with ClickFunnels. So how you will be able to do that? So for that, all you need to do, you need to search on the Google. Okay, for example, how to build funnels with ClickFunnels. Okay, how to build funnels with ClickFunnels. So okay, as you can see over here, how to build a funnel in ClickFunnels. So all you need to do, you need to get find an article over here. Okay, and thereafter simply just grab 5 to 6 articles and then just combine them into an ebook, and that's all you need to do. That will help you to create an ebook within just minutes, and that you can actually give for free. And in that ebook you can actually promote the software ClickFunnels. And this ClickFunnels, let me tell you one thing over here. So ClickFunnels is a software that costs every single customer $100 every single month, $100 and $300. So let's say the customer is going to go with $100 plan. So you will be making 40% commission. That means you will be making $40 for every sale you are going to make, $40. Okay, so all you are going to do, you are going to give this free ebook, to everyone else who wants to make money online. And in that course, a lot of people will be buying the ClickFunnels because they want to make money. Okay, and this is the same strategy that this guy is actually doing, and he has made over thousands of dollars using the same strategy. So but how do you get traffic to your website? And what about if you want to build a course? So if you want to build a course, you can actually just simply just create a ClickFunnels account, and you can even get the free trial of the ClickFunnels. Okay, just create a free trial of the ClickFunnels and just start building funnels. If you don't know how to do that, simply just head over to YouTube and just search build funnels with ClickFunnels. Okay, build funnels with ClickFunnels. So when you are going to do all this stuff, you just need to record your screen, or what you can actually do, you can figure out some of the best YouTube videos that are going to compress, that are going to share in a very different manner. Okay, in a very good manner, and all you can do, create a ebook and just add up all of the links of the best YouTube videos that you have figured out. And you can, in that ebook again, you are going to give the free videos that is going to teach how to actually make money. You might be thinking that this is the free content, they can get it anywhere. Yeah, but you are saving these guys time because they don't have to go on YouTube, they don't have to find the best YouTube videos. All you need to do, you need to just go through 5, 10, 20 videos and just bring the 5 to 10 best videos, just combine them, and that's all you are going to do. And then you can simply combine them in an ebook, and you can simply just give that for free. And then you can simply promote that ebook and can simply tell them, if you wanna to make money, you should buy the ClickFunnels. Not everybody will be buying, but a lot of people will end up buying up the ClickFunnels. But now you might be thinking, how the hell do I get traffic? So when you want to you want traffic, okay, so for the traffic I'm again going to use this guy's strategy, the same traffic this guy used, okay, so the same strategy the Franklin Hatchett used to make thousands of dollars. So I'm talking about the Quora. So basically let me tell you, Quora is having over I think 400 million users every single month coming on Quora and solving their query. Okay, so just look at this answer was written over 15 hours ago. Already 13 people have answered to these questions, okay, and 6 people have already followed. Just think about it, how easy is that going to be for you? So all you need to do, for example, you are going to search over here how to make money online. Okay, you are going to search over here what is the easiest way to make money online. You are going to search, a lot of answers will start coming up over here. So what you need to do, you just need to give them a really good answer on how they can actually make money, and then in the end you can simply link out to your free ebook. Okay, you can simply tell them, hey, I wanted to just give you value, so you can simply check out this ebook that is going to help you to make a shitload of money. Okay, it is going to help you to make a lot of money, so just check out this ebook. So they are going to go through that ebook because they want to make money online and you are giving them value. Okay, and let me tell you that it's really not hard. Also let me show you the power of the Quora. So when I'm going to search on the like Google, how to make money online, okay, it's one of the most competitive keyword for the Google. Okay, it's very hard to rank on the Google, but when I'm going to search over here how to make money online, okay, let's see. So look at this, on the 4th to 5th place Quora.com is ranking. That means if you are going to write a really good answer and your question will start coming in like on the top page of the Quora, then probably your answer that is also ranking on the Google, and you will start getting insane amounts of traffic every single day. So that's what I'm telling you. Okay, you are going to get the traffic. Just come over here and start writing 10, 20, 30 answers every single day. Now I'm not saying you just write just link out to the other link out to other to your ebook in every other answer. Okay, in every other answer, I'm not saying that. For example, you are going to write like 20 answers. Okay, you are going to write like 20 answers on Quora. Link out to your Quora, you link out to your ebook in 10 different answers. So you are going to get traffic from there. So let's say you are going to do like 20 answers in a month, every single day. So in a month you will be having like 600 answers. Okay, the 600 answers you are going to get, and out of those 300 answers are having link to your free ebook. Okay, link to your free ebook. So over here 300 people are going 300 answers, and on the Quora you can easily get like 100 views on each of the answer, and out of 300 possibly 1%, only 3 answers are going to get like 5, 10, 20,000 views. Okay, but we are only going to take like every answer is going to get on an average like 100 views, 30,000 views. Okay, you see how easy is that? And for the 3 answers you are going to get all in all like 5,000 views. Okay, so all in all you are going to get 35,000 views, and out of these 35,000, let's say only 10% of the people are going to click the link. Okay, click the link of your ebook. So you are going to get 3,500 people delivering the ebook. Okay, you are going to get 3,500 people delivering the ebook, and if out of this only 350 people, not just 350 people, but let's say only 100 people are going to grab the ClickFunnels, and each will be paying like $40 a month. That's $4,000 recurring revenue, because these guys will be paying $100 every single month. That means you will also be getting like $40 every single month. You will be getting $4,000 every single month without doing the work again and again. You see how powerful is that? But you have to work really hard. Okay, it's not easy to write like 20 answers a day, because I know that, I have done that. Okay, so now what you are going to do over here is but you might be thinking, how the hell you are going to go from like $10 a day to $100 a day, $10 a day to $100 a day? So in order to go from $10 to $100 a day, I'm going to share with you easy strategy. Instead of sending the traffic from the Quora, okay, look at this is Quora.com, and instead of sending the traffic directly to your ebook, directly letting them download your ebook, you are going to send the traffic to a landing page. Okay, a landing page looks something like this. Okay, so you can write something like the easy 3-step process to make $100 a day with ClickFunnels, or if you don't even need to write ClickFunnels. Okay, so when you are going to do that, you are going to actually collect the emails. so that if they are not going to buy the ClickFunnels, you can simply email them. You can simply tell them, hey, why are you not using ClickFunnels to make money online? It's one of the best softwares out there. And the best thing, you are going to collect the emails over here. You can contact them again and again. For example, tomorrow you are going to use another software. Maybe it's Builderall. Okay, Builderall is having their own affiliate program, so you can actually promote the Builderall to them. So instead of just selling the one product to them, you can sell them multiple products every single month. Okay, so let's say you're going to get like as I told you, 3,500 people are going to click the link. Okay, and let's say your own opt-in page, because everybody who is going to come on this page is not going to give you the link, is not going to give you the email. Okay, so all in all, let's say only 40% of the people are going to give you the link. So 4 3s are 12, that's 1,200 people are going to give you the link. And let's say you are going to promote like let's just make it clear. Okay, so let's say out of those 1,200 you are going to you are going to get like 1,200 people email. Okay, and now you're going to promote in a month I promote like 3 products. Okay, I like to promote 3 products. One is of $100. Okay, one is of $500. I'm not saying that only and only I do this, but the industry leaders do these things. Okay, so one is of $500 and another one is of $1,000. So look at this. So now let's say you are going to email them 5 times in a week. That means you are going to email them 20 times. And out of these 20 times, I'm not saying promote in every of your video, in every email, but in 10 emails you can actually promote them. Sometimes you're going to promote them directly, or sometimes you can share them something like how to make money online, a free video. And in the free video, we are going to tell them, hey, check out the software called ClickFunnels and make money with that. So that's also kind of promotion. It's not direct, but it's a really good promotion. Okay, so when you're going to do this, let's say 3 emails will be going for this product, 3 emails will be going for this product, 3 emails will be going for this product. Okay, 4 emails. Okay, so now these 3 emails, so let's say you are only going to get like 20% open rate, which is really bad. Okay, so all in all, 20 people are going to click the link, 20 people are going to open the email, and let's say 5% of the people are going to click the link. So 12 5 is 60. That means for every email you are going to send, you will get 60 clicks. So if for over here you are going to get 180 clicks. Okay, 180 clicks, and out of this, let's say only and only 2 people are going to buy a $100 product. That's $200. So now over here again 180 clicks, and out of these, let's say only and only 1 people. Okay, not 1 people, I'm going to take this very badly, 1 people, but still $500. And let's say over here you are going to again get 180 clicks, but this time you are going to get like 240 clicks. And again, only and only 1 people is going to buy the product. That's $1,000. So you have made $1,700. And even if you are selling these as an affiliate product, you are going to make like $850. That's really not bad, because you will be having an email list. The next month, again, your answers will be on Quora. You don't have to, your answers will not be removed. They will be there for lifetime. Okay. So those answers will bring another 1,200 leads. Okay, and you will be having like 2,400 leads. So instead of $850, you will make $1,700 next month. Okay, so when you are going to write another 300 answers next month, so you are going to make more and more money, because you will be keep on getting the money leads from the previous month answers and from the new month answers at all. Okay, so that's how you are going to actually go from $10 to $100 a day. And it's really not big deal, because these guys are really making a lot of money. Okay, this guy has shared in his video that with this method he has made a ton of money. Okay, and this thing actually work. So I really believe that you will be able to make money. If you have any query, let me know in the comment box, and I will be more than happy to help you. And make sure to subscribe to this channel for more Make Money Online videos and for better videos than this. And I will see you in another video.